Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name. And today, we're diving into a super exciting topic. How you can make money on Facebook by playing games. Yep, you heard that right. Playing games and getting paid. Let's jump right in. Alright, so you're ready to make money gaming on Facebook? First stop, the Level Up program. This, my friends, is your golden ticket to turning your gameplay into cold, hard cash. Think of it like this. You're not just playing games anymore, you're a full-blown Facebook gaming creator. Now, to join this exclusive club, you gotta meet a few requirements. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. First off, you need a gaming creator page. Easy peasy, right? Next, you gotta put in some hours. We're talking at least 4 hours of streaming across 2 days in the last 2 weeks. That's like one good gaming session a week. Finally, you need at least 100 followers to show Facebook you've got people hyped for your content. Once you're in, things get really interesting. You unlock access to this awesome feature called stars. Think of them like virtual cheers or tips that your viewers can send your way while you're streaming. The more you engage with your audience, the more hype you create, the more stars you can rack up. And guess what? Those stars translate directly into dollars. The Level Up program isn't just about the money though, it's about building a community. It's about connecting with other gamers, sharing your passion, and getting rewarded for doing what you love. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, get streaming, and start leveling up. Okay, let's talk about these Facebook stars because this is where things get really good. Imagine you're in the middle of an epic Fortnite battle, clutches on point, victory royale within reach. The chat is going wild and then bam! Someone sends you a shower of stars. It's like a virtual high five, a way for your viewers to show their appreciation and support while you're doing your thing. Now here's the best part. For every star you get, Facebook pays you money. Real, actual money. I'm talking cold hard cash deposited right into your account. Sure, it starts at 1 cent per star, but don't let that fool you. Those pennies add up fast, especially when you've got a dedicated community cheering you on. Think about it. Hundreds, thousands of viewers all hyped up on your awesome gameplay, showering you with stars. It's like a virtual tip jar, but instead of spare change, it's filled with your viewers' love and appreciation, all converted into a nice little income stream. And the best part is, it's a win-win situation. Your viewers get to show their support and be a part of your success, and you get to reap the rewards of your hard work and dedication. Alright, so you've leveled up your Facebook game, you're racking up stars like a boss, but you're ready for the next level of monetization, right? That's where fan subscriptions come in, your secret weapon for building a loyal community and securing that bag. Here's the deal. Once you've built a solid following, you can offer your viewers the chance to become official members of your channel through paid subscriptions. These aren't your average followers, these are your diehards, the ones who want to go the extra mile to support your journey. In return for their dedication, you offer exclusive perks. Think custom badges that make them stand out in the chat, special emotes to express themselves, exclusive content like behind-the-scenes videos or members-only live streams. It's like a VIP club for your biggest fans. But the real beauty of fan subscriptions? That sweet, sweet recurring revenue. Instead of one-time donations, you're building a stable income stream that allows you to invest back into your content, upgrade your setup, and take your streaming to the next level. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Your fans get exclusive access and a deeper connection with their favorite streamer, and you get the financial stability and support to keep creating awesome content. It's a beautiful thing. Now we've talked about stars, fan subscriptions, but there's another powerful tool in your arsenal, ad revenue. You know how YouTube works, right? Well, guess what? Facebook's got its own version, and it's a game changer for streamers looking to monetize their passion. As your viewership grows, as you build that dedicated community, you'll unlock the ability to run ads on your Facebook gaming streams. These can be pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, banner ads, you name it, Facebook's got it. And the best part? You get a cut of the revenue generated from those ads. Think about it. You're literally getting paid to play the games you love. Every time someone watches an ad on your stream, you're one step closer to upgrading your setup, investing in new games, or even just treating yourself to something nice. But here's the key. Ad revenue is directly tied to your viewership. The more eyeballs you have on your content, the more attractive you become to advertisers, and the more money you can make. So focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that keeps your viewers coming back for more. There you have it, guys. A crash course on how to turn your passion for gaming into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time gig on Facebook gaming. Remember, it takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of personality, but the rewards are definitely worth it. So get out there, start streaming, and show the world what you've got. And that's pretty much it. Remember, making money through gaming on Facebook takes time, dedication, and engaging content. Here are a few quick tips to help you grow faster. Consistent schedule, stream regularly so your audience knows when to find you. Engagement. Interact with your viewers. Building a community is key. Quality content. Invest in good equipment for better video and audio quality. Promote. Share your streams on other social media platforms to draw in more viewers. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to make money on Facebook by playing games. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy streaming. Until next time, keep gaming and keep hustling. See ya.